Id-diversità hija xi ħaġa sabiħa, iżda daqstant ieħor jaf toffri sfida, mhux l-inqas fuq il-post tax-xogħol. Bl-ekonomija ta' Malta tissaħħaħ tant li kellha bżonn aktar ħaddiema barranin, kumpanija lokali bl-isem ta' Learning Works ħasbet biex tħejji kors li jindirizza dan l-aspett. Għalkemm Viviana Premazzi, esperta fid-diversità u koordinatur tal-kors bl-isem ta' Understanding Diversity, spjegat li kontra għalli jaħsbu bosta il-kelma diversità mhijiex limitata biss għal razzett differenti.
At the same time, we have different generations in the same workplace, and all these differences sometimes are hard to manage. But the first step is just be aware of the differences. And then once you are aware, and this is the first part of the course, then based on the legislation, based in promotion equality and diversity and all the diversity and inclusion tools and strategies that can be applied, you can really discover and manage the potential of the diversity of your workforce.
Il-kors li se jsir għandu lan li dawk fi gradi maniġerjali ikunu jistgħu jilqgħu aħjar għad-diversità fuq il-post tax-xogħol. U biex tfassal saret riċerka u tħejjija li ħadu madwar xahar.
Yeah, we will have a module on cultural awareness, so how to be aware of the different cultures and what also culture means, because you can have different generational cultures, religion, ethnic group, and then we will have culture at work, so what does it mean to have different cultures and religion in the workplace. Then we will have a module more on legislation, so equality legislation, and what you need to know at the national level and also based on European regulations. And then we'll have the last module that would be more planning, realize your diversity and inclusion strategy.
Iżda kif inhu possibbli li wieħed jadatta għal kull tip ta' kultura jew differenza?
It's a 30 hours course, so we can also say that it's a taste of what is managing diversity. Then of course there's something you can apply to the different cultures and the different nationalities you have in the workplace. At the same time, this project-based and mentoring can really help each and everyone based on the challenges that they have, the nationalities that they have, the different religions that they have.
Dan huwa wieħed minn żewġ korsijiet li faslet Learning Works din is-sena. Il-kors ieħor qed iħarreġ ħaddiema u studenti barranin fil-lingwa u l-kultura Maltija, bilan li jintegraw aħjar ma' sħabhom fuq il-post tax-xogħol.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.